To Sharma's Academy. Today we are studying about Asian countries and its capital. There are some previous year questions about the continent, but before answering this question we have to go through the map. So we are dividing the map in 4 sections so that easily we can go through it and remember the things. First one is Iran. Iran is Tehran. Then Iraq is Baghdad, Syria Damascus, Lebanon Beirut, Israel Jerusalem, Palestine is Ramallah, Jordan is Amman, Yemen is Sana'a, Oman is Muscat, UAE Abu Dhabi. Then there is Kuwait is Kuwait City, Bahrain Manama, and Qatar is Doha. Again, Iran is Tehran, Iraq is Baghdad, Syria is Damascus, Lebanon is Beirut, Israel is Jerusalem, Palestine is Ramallah, Jordan is Amman, Yemen is Sana'a, Oman Muscat, then UAE Abu Dhabi, Kuwait is Kuwait City, Bahrain is Manama, and Qatar is Doha. Then we have moved to the middle part of it. There is Kazakhstan Astana, Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek, Tajikistan is Dashkenbe, Uzbekistan Tashkent, Turkmenistan is Ashgabat. These 5 countries you have to remember by heart because this is very important and asked in the exams very oftenly. Afghanistan Kabul, Pakistan Islamabad, India New Delhi, Nepal is Kathmandu, Bhutan is Thimphu, Bangladesh Dhaka, Sri Lanka Colombo, and Maldives is Male. Again, Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek, Kazakhstan Astana, Tajikistan Dashkenbe, Uzbekistan Tashkent, Turkmenistan is Ashgabat. Afghanistan is Kabul, Pakistan Islamabad, Maldives is Male, Sri Lanka Colombo, Bangladesh Dhaka, Bhutan Thimphu, Nepal Kathmandu, India is New Delhi. Then the upper part of East, Mongolia Ulaanbaatar, North Korea Pyongyang, Japan is Tokyo, South Korea is Seoul, Taiwan is Taipei. Okay, now the lowermost part is also known as Southeast Asia, Asian countries. Vietnam Hanoi, Philippines Manila, Timor-Leste Delhi, Indonesia Jakarta, Malaysia Kuala Lumpur, Singapore is Singapore, Myanmar Naypyidaw. Then we have Cambodia, Phnom Penh, Thailand is Bangkok, Laos is Vientiane, and Brunei is Bandar Seri Begawan. I think I am clear to you. Again, Mongolia Ulaanbaatar, North Korea Pyongyang, Japan Tokyo, South Korea Seoul, Taiwan Taipei, Philippines Manila, Indonesia Jakarta, Timor-Leste Delhi, Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur, Myanmar Naypyidaw, Cambodia Phnom Penh, and Thailand is Bangkok, Laos is Vientiane, and yes. Now we are answering the questions. Which of the following pairs of country or capital is not properly matched? Before answering this question, I tell you that you have to read the question very carefully because they might confuse you between not and correctly matched. So there is which is of the following is not properly matched? China, Beijing, Japan, Kyoto. No, it's Tokyo. Spain, Madrid, Austria, Vienna. Next is, you have to, which one of the following is correctly matched? The three among them is wrong. So the correct one is, we have already read it, Lebanon, Beirut is not correctly matched. Not Amman, Jordan, correct. Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. Sana is Yemen. Wrong one is Bishkek, Tajikistan. Not correctly matched. Not is there. China, Shanghai. No, it's Beijing. The rest are correctly matched. You have to match the following. Now Laos, second one. Vietnam is Hanoi. Cambodia, Phnom Penh, and Myanmar, rest. So the answer of this question will be A, 4, 3, 1 and 2. Okay, C. Next one is, in this 4 we know like Kazakhstan and Laos. So just Kazakhstan is Astana and Laos is 4th. Then the answer will be B, 4th. B is 1 and C is 4. So this one. So if you don't know all the answers of the question, when we roughly go through the map, we can able to answer some of the questions. So this is it. 2019 UPPCS 2019, very important question, oftenly asked. Uzbekistan, what is the capital of Uzbekistan? Tashkent. Tajikistan is second. Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek. Turkmenistan is Ashgabat. So the correct answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, they are correctly matched. So yeah, this is it. You have to remember, you can divide the map in 4 sections: first, second, third and fourth, and easily remember the capital. 1 or 2 question every year are asked in the exams in different PSCs, or sometime UPSC also asked. So go through it and remember these capitals by heart. Thank you very much.